Hey everyone, welcome to Wacky Tales. Do you want to build great things? One of the tools you guys can use is Unity. And if you've never ever used Unity, you might be like, well, how do I get it? Well, you're going to go over to unity.com and it's pretty simple. Right on the front, you're going to select download Unity. It doesn't actually download Unity, it downloads Unity Hub, which is the tool that you will use to download Unity and other versions of Unity. So once you hit this page, it will just automatically start downloading. If it does not, then you'll have to click one of these, but as you can see, it already detected I have Windows, and we're going to double click that. Yipperoos. You can read all of this, hit install, pick where you're going to do it. I'll go with you, just default it, and it'll be on my desktop, and we are going to choose to run the hub. And I'm going to sign in. It's going to take you back to the page. You're going to click open again. It's going to go shoot back to the hub, and we are now in the hub. I agree. I already have personal. As you can see, I'm logged in. There's a download. It is downloading Unity 6.4. If it does not automatically download it, your installs, you can see the installs you have. I have no install because it's installing Pac-Man. And you're going to click Install Editor. You pick one. You pick the old ones. I forgot how far back it goes, but if you want an older editor, you're going to have to go back over to unity.com and you can download older versions there. I hope that has helped you a little bit if you're completely new, and thanks for watching.